Hello, grade threes. So this week we're going to do a revision on our spelling words from week 1 to 4. You'll get the English spelling word and then the translation in Afrikaans. And then I'm going to put the spelling word in a sentence. And then there's also a picture next to the spelling word. Okay, the first word is bank. All right. I go to the bank to get some money. Bank, or in Afrikaans, a slaapbank. I sleep on a bunk bed. So when you go on camp, sometimes there's bunk beds there, and you get to sleep on a bunk bed. Right, next one, junk, gemors. There's junk in the bin. Next one, tank or tank. The army uses a tank in battle. Then the next one is plank. The pirates walk on a plank. Or there is an exercise where you can plank with your whole body. Ink. There is ink in a pen. So what you use to write with, the blue that comes out, or sometimes you have different color pens. Alright, that's ink that comes out of the pen. The next one, think, dunk, I need to think about my work. The next one, sunk, and Afrikaans het gesink. Now, sunk is the past tense of sink. All right, so sink is the ship sinks now, and yesterday the ship sunk to the bottom of the ocean. All right, so when something sinks in the water, it's very heavy. It goes down to the bottom of the water like a rock. If you throw a rock in water, it will sink down to the bottom. The next one is drink. The man will drink his cool drink. And the last one is trunk. In Afrikaans, it's a boomstomp. The trunk of the tree is brown. And if you look at the picture, that is the trunk, the brown part, and then the leaves are on the trunk, and what's attached to that is the branches which are attached to the trunk of the tree. Right, week 2 spelling words. Let's go through them together. All right, the first one is batch. Okay, I make a batch of cookies. So a batch means a lot of. All right, so mommy and you can make a batch of cookies. You make a lot of cookies. The next one, catch. The children catch the ball. The next one is match, of a wedstrijd. The girls play a netball match, or you can say the boys play a rugby match. Then the next one is watch. I wear a watch on my wrist. We use a watch to tell the time. The next one is patch, and in Afrikaans it's a stukkie. I use a patch to cover the hole in my sock. And if you look at the picture with the red socks, the patch is the yellow little square that you can use to maybe close the hole, or maybe you have a hole on one of your t-shirts or your jeans, and you can sew a patch over it to close the hole. Ditch. There is a ditch in the ground, so that means there's like a hole in the ground. All right. The next one, witch. There is a witch flying on the broom. Next one is pitch. We play on the football pitch. All right. So there's a piece of land that you can play on, and in soccer you call it a football pitch. Fetch. The dog went to fetch the ball. And then the next one, notch. Notch is the level on a scale of what something is on, all right? So we can say the quality of the food has dropped a notch. That means that the quality of the food has gone down a little bit, okay? Or we could say the quality of food has gone up a notch. So we could say that means that the quality of food has got better. Week 3 spelling words. Okay, these spelling words are a little bit difficult to have a picture with it, so I've got the word and a sentence. Right, the first one, the, in Afrikaans is die. The children made a batch of cookies. This, hierdie, this is the best day. That, daardie, please get that book for me. them, hulle, he would drive them to the shop. Then, dan, I ate a burger and then went to bed. They, hulle, they play soccer together. Their, hulle sin, their shoes are red and blue. Now grade 3 is this there, T-H-E-I-R. That means it's belonging to somebody. Alright, so their shoes, the shoes are belonging to them. The next there, T-H-E-R-E, of daar, the boys are playing over there, shows where they are. So there, T-H-E-I-R, shows it belongs to somebody. T-H-E-R-E shows a place over there. Thing, ding, get your things together. Thin, dun, the girl is very thin. Alright, to say the girl is very small. Week 4 spelling words. Whip, I whip the cream up. So when you buy cream, it's in a liquid form. Like it's runny, and then if you use a whisk, then you can whip it up so it makes it into a cream consistency, like in the picture. What of what are you going to do for your birthday? It's asking a question. Why, hoekom? Why are you going home tomorrow? White, wit, the paper is white. Okay, white is a color. Who, wie, who is the president? It's asking a question again. Where, waar, where are you going for the holidays? Whale, walvis, there is a whale swimming in the sea. Wheat, koring, we use wheat to make bread. When, wanneer, when are we going back to school? Which, watter, which cool drink would you like? Alright, grade 3s, make sure you go through your spelling words from week 1 to 4, and then we'll do a spelling test on Google Forms on Friday.